Forget everything you know about traditional gear. A new wave of next-generation tools is officially hitting the market, and they are completely rewriting the rules. Trust me, what's coming up at number 1 will leave you speechless. Join the community by subscribing so you never miss the future in action. Neo Ruler Digital Scale Ruler. Pozo Neo Ruler inherits the familiar concept of a scale ruler and upgrades it into a digital measuring tool for architects, engineers, designers, and DIY users requiring high precision. Its standout feature is the ability to switch between 93 built-in imperial and metric scales while also allowing users to create an unlimited number of custom scales for specialized projects. With measurement accuracy down to approximately plus or minus 0.004 inches, Bluetooth connectivity for data transfer to the accompanying app, and CAD-friendly data export capabilities in formats such as DXF, PDF, and JPG. It naturally fits into modern digital workflows. Its lightweight 12-inch aluminum body, 1000 mAh battery, and modular design make it practical for both office sketching and on-site measurements. The price is approximately $109. DIY Toolifts Cordless. The DIY Toolifts Cordless router is built for woodworkers who want the flexibility of battery power without giving up precision. Instead of relying on a cord, it works with compatible Makita 18-volt batteries, making it easy to move between the workshop, job site, or outdoor projects where power outlets aren't convenient. Its standout feature is an 800-watt brushless motor that spins up to 30,000 revolutions per minute while staying quieter and requiring less maintenance than traditional brush designs. A 6-speed adjustment system lets users match cutting speed to the material, while the 0 to 4 centimeter depth scale and fine-tuning mechanism make it easier to dial in accurate grooves, edge profiles, and trim work with fewer mistakes. CC Cordless Impact Wrench, 1/2 inch. The CCI WH6 Lite Cordless Impact Wrench is designed to make stubborn fasteners far less intimidating. Whether you're changing tires or tackling heavy-duty repairs around the garage, its brushless motor pairs with up to 650 Nm of torque and 2,500 revolutions per minute output to deliver strong, consistent performance while reducing wear and extending runtime. Compared with traditional motor designs, 2 speed settings and variable trigger control give users better precision when working with different materials, while the brake stop function helps keep loosened nuts and bolts from flying free during removal. Backed by 2 4.0 amp-hour batteries, a fast charger, and an accessory kit that includes sockets, drill bits, and screwdriver bits, it's well suited for mechanics, contractors, and DIY users who want one cordless tool to handle multiple fastening jobs. Price information was not provided. Einstar Rocket Wireless Laser 3-Dimensional Scanner. The Einstar Rocket is a compact, wireless 3-dimensional scanner designed for untethered scanning of mechanical parts and large objects. Featuring a hybrid blue laser and VCSEL infrared system, it easily switches between high detail capture and rapid scanning. Equipped with 38 crossed and 7 parallel laser lines, it supports marker-free operation to cut setup time without sacrificing accuracy. With built-in Wi-Fi, a 3-hour swappable battery, and outdoor readability, it's an ideal, versatile tool for engineers, designers, and reverse engineering professionals. Pricing was not provided. Thermomaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. The Thermomaven P2 is a wireless smart meat thermometer designed to take the guesswork out of grilling, smoking, and oven cooking while letting you monitor food from virtually anywhere. What sets it apart is its standalone display base, which shows temperatures and lets you set targets without relying on a phone, while Wi-Fi connectivity extends monitoring well beyond standard Bluetooth range. Each ultra-thin probe houses 6 sensors to track both internal meat temperature and ambient heat, with NIST-certified accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, helping prevent overcooking without repeatedly opening the grill. Dual probes make it easy to cook 2 dishes simultaneously, and with IPX8 waterproof construction. Plus, fast charging that supports extended sessions, it's a practical choice for backyard pitmasters and home chefs alike. Versions with 2 probes start at approximately $99. Fanttik D16 Apex Professional Laser. The Fanttik D16 Apex Professional Laser level is designed to simplify layout work by projecting reference lines across the entire room with minimal setup. Its standout feature is the 4x360-degree green laser system that simultaneously covers walls, ceilings, and floors, making alignment faster and reducing the need to reposition the tool. The integrated LED display easily shows battery life and operating modes, while 1/8 inch accuracy at 30 feet and a 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery support reliable daily use with IP54 water resistance, a rotating magnetic mount, and a pulse mode that can extend the working distance up to 200 feet with a compatible receiver. It's ideal for professional contractors, repairmen, and DIY users. Priced at approximately $159. Going Make. The Going Make parallel guide system for rail saws is designed to eliminate repetitive measurements by transforming compatible rail saws into a more efficient board cutting system. Its standout feature is the ultra-fine adjustable flip stop with 0.001 inch adjustability, allowing users to fine-tune dimensions and create highly consistent saw cuts across a variety of workpieces. Supporting repeatable cuts from 0 to 53 inches, the system includes independent imperial and metric scales, zero calibration controls, and clear magnification indicators for quick setup. Compatible with guide rails from brands such as Festool, Makita, Milwaukee, Triton, PowerTech, and Wen, it is particularly valuable for cabinet makers and woodworkers handling plywood, where precision and repeatability save both material and time. It costs approximately $199. Electrical disconnect pliers for cars. These 8-inch electrical disconnect pliers easily separate automotive wiring connectors without damaging delicate locking tabs. Featuring an innovative jaw design, they combine a clip-releasing hook with a secure grip-pointed tip for effortless, one-handed operation in tight engine bays. Built from corrosion-resistant carbon steel with comfortable, ergonomic dual-material grips, this durable tool is a must-have for technicians and DIY users working on fuel injectors, MAF sensors, and modern electrical systems. Priced at approximately $4.99. Profession 65-watt ultrasonic cutter. The Profession 65-watt ultrasonic cutter is designed for crafting enthusiasts and artisans who require greater precision, cleaner cutting, and better control than conventional cutters. Instead of relying solely on blade force, it utilizes 40 kHz ultrasonic vibrations with adjustable power from 25 watts to 65 watts, allowing the blade to glide smoothly through materials such as three-dimensional printed plastics, resins, PVC, leather, acrylic, wood, and even carbon fiber, minimizing tearing and rough edges. An integrated work light improves visibility during high-precision operations, and the interchangeable blade system increases versatility for various cutting tasks. An integrated overheat protection circuit automatically shuts down the machine if the temperature rises too high, ensuring stable operation during extended work sessions This machine is particularly useful for three-dimensional printing enthusiasts, model makers, dental technicians, and DIY creators who want to simplify deburring and finishing small details. It sells for approximately $233. Fin-by tool. The Fin-by tool 13-inch spiral planer head is an upgrade accessory that transforms compatible DeWalt DW735 planers into smoother and more efficient material handling machines. Its striking design replaces straight blades with 4 rows of cutting and 56 carbide pieces, creating a shearing motion that produces a smoother surface while significantly reducing operating noise and generating smaller debris for improved dust collection. Because each piece has multiple usable edges, maintenance is simplified. Simply rotate or replace individual cutting blades instead of sharpening long blades. Carpenters who frequently plane hardwoods or undertake large volume projects will appreciate the minimized downtime and consistent finish quality. The price is approximately $320. Handheld magnetic induction heater tool. Built for mechanics and anyone dealing with seized hardware, this 1,500 watt induction heater offers a faster way to loosen rusted bolts and stubborn fasteners without relying on an open flame. Using high-frequency magnetic induction, it can bring metal components up to temperature in about 25 seconds, helping reduce the risk of damaging nearby parts. The included 12-piece coil set makes it adaptable to different bolt sizes and repair jobs, while the non-slip grip, integrated cooling fan, and overheat protection support extended use in automotive and workshop environments. It typically sells for around $216. This machine looks like it belongs in a war zone. The Motofrog 75 tears through thick grass, wild brush, and rough terrain like it's nothing. With 13.5 horsepower pushing forward, it crushes everything in its path. No fancy setup, just pure cutting power. And the craziest part? It keeps moving while the blades absolutely destroy the ground underneath. Imagine giving a lawnmower monster truck energy. Vacuum lifting machine, Grao. This tool looks like it's cheating gravity. The Grao High Flow uses insane vacuum power to lift massive stone slabs like they're cardboard. We're talking up to 242 pounds. With one hand, just press, seal, and lift. Even rough, porous concrete sticks instantly. The wild part, once it locks on, that slab is not going anywhere. Buck tool belt and disc sanders. This machine turns rough wood into glass smooth perfection in seconds. The Buck tool belt disc sander hits with a powerful 3/4 horsepower motor and sands 25% faster than old school models. Flip the belt vertical, shape crazy curves, sharpen edges like a pro, and the wild part? It runs insanely smooth without shaking your whole bench. Do you already own a fantastic machine like this at home? DeWalt grinder. This grinder feels like it wants to destroy everything in its path. The DeWalt 18-volt XR grinder spins with brutal power, but the second you let go, the blade stops fast. Cut metal, grind bolts, shower sparks everywhere. And if the disc jams, it fights the kickback for you. No wonder pros trust this beast after 90 years. Air locker. This surprised me the most. This tool rips nails out of wood like a machine gun in reverse. The Air Locker AP700 uses up to 120 psi of pure force to blast stubborn nails straight back out. Just press, fire, and watch rusty nails shoot loose in seconds. No hammer fights. No destroyed wood. It's so powerful, it almost feels dangerous to use.